Hey guys, working on this iPad, cracked the screen, cracked it even more upon taking it off. Got this new one from Amazon with the home button. Definitely want to get the one with the home button, because by the time you take it off, you're gonna mess it up. So just get the one with the home button. Here's the cleanliness. There's some pieces in there I gotta take out, but there's the home button. Here's the after. Gotta charge it. Other than that, it works. So I am happy with it. Shout out to Matthias Random Stuff. He had a video that I followed, so check him out.